I think people need to understand that what you can get out of the ocean in terms of plastic is just 1%. 99% is already drifted down towards the deep sea or is within fish, turtles, whales. So it's very important to not get any more stuff into the ocean. That's basically the most important thing. Basically, I'm trying to be a better human being every single day. So whenever I read something on Instagram or in the newspapers or whatever, I'm trying to adapt to this and even bring it into my personal life. Today it was basically to change my bank account to another bank, because it depends on in which bank you have your account, if this bank is investing into sustainable things or not. You can see there's loads of things out there which you can change. So my personal life hack is read, read and read and change yourself every single day.